What's up, you guys? It's your girl Nicole here, back with another video. So y'all, in this video it is like a pretty different type of video from the ones I normally film. This video is going to be talking about like just doing a review on this new JLAB Talk Pro USB microphone. I am looking to upgrade the quality of my audio. This is pretty new for me as well. I'm not too into the audio part of like my videos and whatnot, but I do want to increase the quality. So I went and got this. I did, like, it retails for like $150, but I got it from like our local, what is it called? Like a local Amazon liquidation store, and they marked it for $69.99, but I got it for $49.99. So yeah, I have never opened this, but my dad did. Let me see, how did he open it though? And I never touch anything on the inside. This is the cover and whatnot. Y'all already know who in the background, Mr. Deuce. So I'm gonna put that on the side. And let's see. Okay. So this is how it looks when you open it. Looks like heaven. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so y'all will hear him sucking because he is eating right now, and I did have to bring him closer to me just so I can monitor him eating, but it's the life of a mom. Don't like it, don't watch. Alright, so yeah, this is what you open the box up to. It's real nice and padded and stuff like that. Let me see. And yeah, there's all the controls and stuff up here and on the back. Let me see. Okay, this is the tripod. So let me screw it in. What was this for? I think, oh no, shoot. I think I consider either one in this order. Let me see. Sorry, Deuce. Sorry, guys. Okay, yeah, the tripod can screw in either one of these things here. And this mic is brand new in that store too. So I did watch a few reviews on it, but like I still have to learn about these type of microphones, like these USB microphones and stuff. The only type of microphones I really know about is like the concert mics or the singing mics that people be having on stage and stuff like that. Yeah, this is the mute button. I think this is the button that adjust the controls up here and whatnot. Let me see. And I'm gonna do a little test for y'all. I don't want this to be too long. I'm gonna try to get through this review as fast as I possibly can. So I'm gonna check this box. It says this is the USB cable and a quick start guide. It's a long cable. Alright, so this is the record settings right here. Right here is the recording settings, the mute button, the volume or the gain interface, toggle recording, whatever that is. On the back, this is where you gain control, and this is the volume control. It has a G and a V on it, if y'all can see it. Alright, on the bottom here, let me turn it back around. On the bottom is the aux plug. This is the mount, the tripod thing again, and this is the LED control for the lights that's on the whatchamacallit, the mic. And this is a USB-C input. So this here would go in here, just like that. Alright, and then so to set it up, it says just plug into your PC or Mac. And let me see. Alright, I'm gonna try to set it up real quick for y'all. Alright, y'all. Don't mind my background. Over here is all my, well, most of my recording equipment. I think they said this cord was like 10 feet long. So I don't have any headphones plugged in, and it is currently on, I think, the all around. Yeah, so right now it's on the Omni setting. I was able to figure out how the heck to record with it, but don't mind me, I'm getting there. And I think I just want it on the cardioid setting, so which means it only records from the front. I hope the audio is pretty good with this mic. The gain is all the way up, and so is the volume. Oh, I think the gain is halfway up. I gotta figure out like how I want to maneuver with that too. And right now my computer is starting all that airy stuff. I don't know if anyone else's computer does that, but it just sounds like a whole lot of air just coming up, and I don't like that. But really, that's like the end of this video. I just wanted to do an audio test for y'all, and for myself as well, so y'all can get the gist of it, and so I can learn how to mesh all of this together to create the quality content that I'm looking for. So be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a motherfucking video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.